Hello, my friend. This is Linda. I'm from Hongteng Factory. We are professional in the induction furnace, like the melting furnace, heating furnace for various metal, like copper, steel, iron, aluminum, exactly. Now I want to introduce some details for our furnace part. First, let's look at the cooling cable. Now we can see here the golden one. I think we must be familiar with this. This is the copper. We can see the total part is made by the T2 copper. The purity is about 99%, 99.98% the purity, and we can see all the ropes are copper. It's very strong, and let's see this kind of outside. This copper rope will install inside the rubber hose, and this rubber we can see there are 7 layers, and in the middle there are also ropes to increasing the wear resistance. All made by the real materials. Recently, we all know that the copper price on international market had increased incredibly. Okay, this is the finished product. We can see that. Oh, it's too heavy. I can't hold it. Okay. This is already finished the install. This is a part connected with the furnace cabinet and the furnace body. Very good quality. And now let's take a look at our furnace. These are some steel shell furnace with hydraulic tilting. We can see the hydraulic system is packed. You can see this is a 1.5 ton melting furnace. Yes, power 1040 kilowatt, 400 kilowatt. And here is aluminum shell furnace body. This is already finished. The furnace lining is already finished inside, and for this one for exporting, this is a 1-ton furnace. It's not making the furnace lining, and we can see the induction coil. It's also made by the T2 copper, and this pink painting is imported from Korea, and have very good isolating function to isolating the magnet, exactly that factor to saving power energy. And this one is a 500 kilogram melting furnace body, also finished, waiting delivery.